Hi guys, my name is El Magnifico and today I want to show you how to buy cryptocurrency on Luno. Okay, this is the Luno Exchange. Okay, okay, this is the app. Okay, then you navigate to wallets. Okay, now these are the various wallets I've created. I think there are about 4 more that you can create. Yes. Okay, for the purpose of this tutorial, I would like to buy USDC. So I'll click on USDC. Okay, it's loading. Okay, I'll click on buy. Okay, you can see once only and then repeat buy. This repeat buy is like setting a recurring order to keep on buying and buying. You can set the how frequent it will be, whether monthly, weekly or daily, but for the purpose of this tutorial it will be once only. Now one thing you need to know is before you buy any crypto you need to deposit NGN in your NGN wallet. Afterwards you use that NGN to buy the crypto. So I'll click on top up, add money to wallet. Okay, now previously the federal government banned banks from interacting directly with crypto exchanges, so we have to create a voucher before we can deposit NGN into our Luno. So I'll click on create voucher. Now you choose the amount of NGN you want to deposit. The minimum is 100 naira while the maximum is 4 million. So I will type in 102 naira, click on next. Now this is it guys, there is a small fee, a fee of 2 naira. That's why I typed 102 naira, because of the fee. So now I will receive 100 naira, continue to pay. I will now be redirected to the AfriVouchers website where I will complete my payment. Now this is it guys, buy with card. Now there are two options. Click on change payment method. I can choose to pay with card or to pay with bank transfer. For the purpose of this tutorial I will use bank transfer, but you can still use your card. All you need to do is to fill in your card details. Okay, it's loading. Okay, now this is the account I need to pay to, so I'll just copy the account details. Now guys, observe something. The account details is only valid for this specific transaction. Yes, the account number keeps on changing. You don't have to be worried about anything. Once you send money to this account, your voucher will be automatically generated and then it will be sent to your email. So I will post this video and then copy the account details. Okay guys, I have copied the account details. Then I'll head over to my banking app. Okay, sign in. Okay, choose the bank. My bank. Beneficiary account number. I will type in the account number they gave me. Okay. Okay, this is it. You can see the name is displayed here. Then I'll click on proceed. Click on pay, and then I'll enter my transaction pin. That's it, guys. I've entered my transaction pin. Okay, guys, the service is a bit bad, so you have to bear with me. Okay, that's that. I've sent the money. So guys, I've sent the money. Now I think within a minute after sending the money, your voucher should be created for you. The voucher will be created and sent to your Gmail and then to your phone number. Well, I have a preference for my Gmail, so I will head on to my Gmail to get the code. So that's it, guys. You can see it was sent since 12:17. Yes. So I will open the message and then I will copy these details: the voucher number, the PIN, and the security code. Okay, that's it, guys. I've copied the details. I should have just copied this to my clipboard. Forgot to copy it to my clipboard. Okay. Now we'll go back to the Luno app. Click on wallets. Okay. You can choose to click on NGN or the crypto you wish to buy. Anyone. Okay. Now click on buy. The same thing once only. I have to top up my NGN wallet. Well, remember we went through all these procedures initially. So what we need, guys, what we're actually driving at is this: to come to this page, redeem voucher. You now click on redeem voucher because you have already created the voucher. So what you need to do now is to redeem the voucher. Okay, so this is it, guys. You fill in the voucher information, the voucher number, voucher pin, and then the security ID. So I've already copied the voucher number. I'll just paste it, and then the voucher pin 7733, and then the security ID 520. Then I click on redeem voucher. Okay. Okay, guys, you still need to enter the one-time password they sent to your Gmail to complete the process. Okay, this is it, guys. Free vouchers redemption OTP. Okay, this is the OTP 442605. Okay, I'll enter it here. 442605. Okay. Okay, guys, I erroneously entered the first OTP they sent me when I was buying crypto. So now this is the third OTP they sent me, 416468. So I will just write it there. Okay, 416468. That's that. You can see there's nothing hard about this process. There's nothing difficult. So now I've been credited with 100 naira. So I still have to convert it to the crypto. So I choose which crypto I want to buy with my 100 naira. I will buy USD coin once only. Okay, using my NGN wallet. You can see my NGN wallet has been topped up with 100 naira. Okay, I'll click on max. Next, you receive 0.132485 USDC, 2% service charge, 100 naira. Okay, good. You bought 100 naira worth of USD coin. Done. So that's that, guys. That's how to buy crypto on Luno. It's very easy. You just need to, all you need to do is follow the steps I outlined in this video. Now guys, if you like this video, please click on the like button and also subscribe to my YouTube channel to get more updates from me. Thank you, and I'll see you next time. Viva la vida, guys.